Hey viewers, so today I've come up with a dish called Chinese Bhel. Now this one is a street food dish famous amongst the many others. So do try this at home and I'm sure you're going to love it. The ingredients are as follows. So here I've taken boiled noodles. Now to boil these you just have to take a container, add water to it, allow it to boil and then add these noodles. Boil it for around 6 to 7 minutes and then drain it out. So you're going to get the noodles like this. Along with that I've taken capsicum, onion, carrot. Now here I've taken 6 cloves of garlic, some ginger and 3 green chili, and I've just made it a fine paste. And then with that I've taken tomato ketchup, or you can use a normal chili sauce, 1 cheese cube, black pepper, soya sauce and vinegar. So we're going to need all these ingredients to make the Chinese Bhel. So the main ingredient for this dish is the crispy noodles. So we are going to deep fry these noodles in hot oil. So here I've taken a container, added oil to that, and we are going to fry this on a medium flame. We are going to fry these until it gets a nice golden brown color and they become crisp. So this might take around 3 to 4 minutes. Until then you have to keep frying it till they become perfect. This is the golden brown color that you're supposed to get from both the sides. Now take it out and you have to fry the remaining noodles as well. Now to make the dry vegetable gravy, here I've taken a kadhai in which I've added 2 tablespoons of oil. To this I'm going to add the ginger, garlic and chili paste. I'm going to saute it. Saute this for around 3 to 4 minutes until the raw smell of the garlic goes off. Now we're going to add the onions, and you have to make sure that you're not going to overcook or cook it completely. When the onion is half cooked, which will be after 3 to 4 minutes, you have to add the carrots, and again we're not going to cook it completely. Now saute this well. We've added the onions and carrot first because they usually take a longer time to cook, and capsicum takes the least time to cook. That is why we're going to add the capsicum towards the end, and we're going to saute it for around 3 minutes. Make sure all your vegetables are partially cooked and not completely cooked. To this we are now going to add 2 teaspoons of soya sauce. After the soya sauce, we are now going to add 2 teaspoons of vinegar. After adding both the ingredients, we are now going to mix it well and we are going to saute it for around a minute. We are now going to add 3 teaspoons of tomato ketchup. Now if you want, you can also mix 1 teaspoon of chili sauce and add it. Mix it well, and now we're going to add salt as per the taste, and we're going to add black pepper powder. Now after adding all these ingredients, we're finally going to saute it for around 3 minutes more. The vegetable gravy is now ready. Now take in the noodles that you had deep fried and start crushing them. This is how the noodles should look, and now we're going to add the gravy that we just prepared. We're now going to toss this up with the help of fork, just like this. After all the contents have come together, we are now going to top it up with some grated cheese, just like this. The Chinese Bhel is now ready, and make sure you do not wait too long to have it, otherwise the noodles will become soft with all the gravy. Garnish this with some spring onions and enjoy this recipe. So do subscribe my channel if you haven't, and do share it along. Stay safe. Thank you.